In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you get the no remote detected message in the dash of your Chevrolet Malibu. I'll also show you where to place the key so you'll be able to start the car even if the battery inside of the key is completely dead. So let's get started right away. Everything I'm showing you in this video has been took from the owner's manual, so check it out by yourself if you want. Now you will have to place your key fob inside of the armrest in a small pocket designed especially so it fits your key. Your key will sit vertically. So here are the steps to fix this issue. First, turn off your Malibu. Then step number 2 is to place the key in the spot I just showed you. Put it there and stop touching it. Number 3, press the brake pedal and at the same time push the start-stop button to start the engine. If you have a key and a regular key, just crank the engine and everything will work. As soon as possible, replace the key fob battery and you won't get this no remote detected message in your dash. If this was helpful, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.